Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best underwater cameras. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 underwater cameras and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. GoPro Hero 8 Black. Hero 8 is vlogger friendly. Video stabilization improves with a narrower lens angle. Social media friendly time-lapse app Time Warp. GoPro supports USB microphones. However, mounting is cumbersome. Mods for Hero 8 Black. Cameras modified. Hero 8 captures location using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. Free Android and iOS GoPro app. It can copy and edit movies and images. Battery, USB-C port, and micro SD slot are in one compartment. With such a small camera, I expected a tight door and micro SD card difficulties. 70 minutes is top-notch battery life. Video on 32 GB lasts 35 minutes. Ultra-wide GoPro lens. Body-mounted close-ups are possible. Fisheye views are immersive. Reducing the angle of view minimizes distortion. The lens is still wide enough for selfie-style vlogs. Good video. Have compressed video as standard and flat color palettes. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black. The touch screen works nicely, and the front-facing display has a greater frame rate for a more accurate preview. Fluorine-coated lenses are water and scratch-resistant. Replace asphalt dragging. Camera controlled. A button switches modes. The Hero 10 beeps when shooting video, photos, or time-lapse. If you're calm, silence the camera. Touchscreen helpful. Swiping and tapping change settings. Add 4 shortcuts. There's Webcam Hero 10. PC and Mac can use GoPro webcam utility. Zoom, Google Meet, and OBS utilize the camera. A year of service improves Hero 10 Black. GoPro users, it stores GoPro footage in the cloud. Opens quick templates and discounts accessories. GoPro and live broadcasting platforms are discounted if damaged. Cloud storage subscription only. Plugging in your Hero 10 unloads film over Wi-Fi. It prevents memory card file changes. Hero 10's pixels are higher. Supports many resolutions and frame rates. Hero 10 photographs. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Given that the Hero 9 Black is the most powerful and versatile action camera GoPro has ever produced, it's hardly surprising that it's one of the best waterproof cameras available. With a new 23.6 MP sensor that delivers 5K footage, the Hero 9 Black is a top choice for underwater filming. However, its predecessor may offer a better value for the majority of consumers. While it is waterproof up to 10 meters without a housing, the Hero 9 Black's touchscreen is unusable underwater due to a little latency. It is incredibly simple to use. A redesigned front-facing screen makes framing easier in the waves and Hypersmooth Boost, GoPro's most powerful stabilization software, ensures shake-free film at sea. The battery life is improved. GoPro Hero 9 Black is the most intelligent, fluid, and user-friendly waterproof action camera. Motives to buy: 5K video captures a great deal of detail. Longer battery life. Why you should avoid: inoperable touchscreen. Number 4. Olympus Tough TG6. It's a pocketable camera with a low-light lens and 50-foot waterproof rating. Our editor's choice waterproof point and shoot. The TG6 keeps its predecessor's pocketable, robust design. It can endure 50-foot water pressure. Black pocket cameras have large zoom ranges. Waterproof cameras must keep lenses inside. Lens ring. Olympus sells fisheye lenses and flash attachments that fill in shadows in close-up photographs. I'd recommend a light modifier for the TG6's macro feature. The TG6's macro focus and zoom make it unlike action cameras. The GoPro Hero 8 Black has a wider lens and better video and slow motion features. The control wheel is narrow and waterproof, so turning it is difficult. Olympus added plastic ridges for a grip, but they're pointed. The TG6 lacks full manual exposure control, hence many photographers use the wheel. The TG6 is simple. It fits in your pocket and goes in the pool or ocean. Olympus app alerts don't detract from the camera's quality. There aren't as many waterproof cameras as in the past, but we're glad Olympus is keeping the TG6 alive. Editor's choice waterproof camera. Number 5. Fujifilm XP140. Fujifilm's most recent rugged camera keeps many of the same features as its predecessor, the XP130, including the same 16.4 MP sensor, 5x optical zoom, and 3-inch touchscreen. Although its exterior conceals it, the XP140 is slightly more durable than its predecessor, making it nearly indestructible. It is waterproof down to 25 meters, dustproof, shockproof to 1.8 meters, and freeze-proof to 10 degrees Celsius, so it should withstand even the deepest snorkeling trips. The camera has undergone the most significant adjustments. Although a dismal 4K frame rate of 15 means it's considerably more effective as a full HD 1008 camera, it can now capture 100 fps slow-mo and 720 type along with actual 4K footage. Additionally, the maximum ISO has been raised to 12,800 for improved low-light performance, and a greater variety of in-camera filters support improved subject and scene identification abilities. The XP140 can provide excellent images underwater because to the stabilized and back-illuminated sensor, and the huge LCD makes framing simple even when wearing goggles. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make it simple to unload photos using the Fujifilm app when you're back on solid ground, or you can use an Instax Share printer for quick prints. Purpose of buying: virtually unbreakable, extraordinary 5x optical zoom, condition S to avoid unimpressive 4K video. Screen could be more vibrant. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.